If you've been seeing people online getting free stuff from Temu, you're probably wondering one thing. Is it actually possible, and how do you start? The good news is that in 2026, Temu still runs promotions that allow users to unlock free items, but most people make it harder than it needs to be. So in this video, I'm going to show you the easy way to start getting free stuff on Temu today. Before we jump in, I've placed the current working Temu free gift code right here on screen. It's also in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple of backup codes in case Temu rotates the main one. Now let's break down the simple way to start. Step 1. Activate the free gift promotion. The first thing you want to do is activate the promotion tied to the free gift program. Instead of opening Temu normally and searching around the app, start by using the link in the description. This step helps Temu recognize that you're entering through a promotional event. Once the promotion is activated, the free gift interface becomes available. Step 2. Open the Temu app. After activation, open the Temu app or website and log into your account. When the promotion is active, you should see sections related to rewards or free gifts. This is where Temu shows the items that can be unlocked. Step 3. Enter the free gift code. When prompted, enter the free gift code you see on screen or copy it from the description. This connects your account to the current promotion cycle. Once the code is applied, Temu activates the event tied to that code. Step 4. Follow the event steps. From there, Temu will guide you through a few simple interactions. These might include browsing certain product categories, checking featured deals, interacting with promotional sections. These actions help unlock the reward system inside the event. Step 5. Claim your free item. Once the required steps are completed, your selected item becomes eligible to claim. Temu will then allow you to proceed with the order and receive the reward. Just keep in mind that items available through the free gift program may change depending on the promotion. Why this method is the easiest? The reason this method works better is because you're starting directly inside the promotion, rather than trying to trigger it randomly inside the app. That makes the process smoother and avoids the confusion many users run into. Final tip at Temu updates their promotions frequently, so some codes stop working after a while. That's why I keep the latest working codes in the description, so you can always try the most recent ones. If this helped you start unlocking free stuff on Temu, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more Temu updates, and comment what item you ended up getting. I'm always curious to see what everyone unlocks.